All right, back in the S10 with the P0301, which we have been diagnosing with this OBD2 scan tool. Now we're going to be using a Launch Cap Touch Pro. This one reads misfires. So let's go ahead and get it fired up and see what misfires we got actually coming up. All right, so looking at this current graph, it looks like we have 14,916 misfires. None of them are current. We'll look through the other 4 cylinders, or the other 3, I should say. And looks like our issue may not be ignition related. So P301, still a mystery, but we're getting closer.